Welcome to Reolink. In this video, we are showing you how to reset the Reolink NVR quickly. You can do it in 5 ways: pressing the reset button, restoring the NVR via the Reolink app, via the Reolink client, via a web browser, or on a monitor. This would basically be used for when you forget your NVR password, or when you wrongly change settings like resolution and want them to return to the default values. For some software issues, like failing to playback recordings on NVR or finding the HDD capacity showing as 0 GB, resetting the NVR may also help. Let's start with the easiest method: restoring the NVR via the Reolink app. It will cost you no more than 1 minute. Just launch the Reolink app, tap the device settings button, and then advance on the settings page. Tap restore, and you're done.
I don't ever slow up, no I don't take shit. I got no love for the fakeness. If you wanna play tough and wanna hate this, I'll always show up and make a statement. I don't ever slow up, no I don't take shit. I got no love for the fakeness. If you wanna play tough and wanna hate this, I'll always show up and make a statement. Everything I do so instinctive and so passionate. Every word I move so descriptive like an adjective. I got a vendetta against people who patented being negative when you should be getting after it. I got facts over tracks, this and that, spitting slow, spitting fast. I could roast, I could gas, think I'm okay at last, but I don't know if that can erase all the past and the pettiness. A reflection of the emptiness, hilarious. You think you're worth my time, you're delirious, mysterious, because you are behind a fake exterior, inferior. You know I'll always be a bit superior. Get off of me, this ain't no humble brag. I want you to hear words, you can say them back. I want you to feel free from the chains at last, and to believe in what you got.
The last method I'll show you is pressing the reset button to reset the NVR. The reset button of NVR is inside the device, so you need to remove the outer casing first. A screwdriver will be necessary for that. Then you need to find where the reset button is. The location may vary depending on the type and models of the NVR. For this one, it's right here. So about 6 seconds.
For the fakeness, if you wanna play tough and wanna hate this, I'll always show up and make a statement.
But this method is not recommended if your NVR works on the old user interface, or it will only reset the password and resolution, and you have to enter the live view page before pressing the button. Welcome to Reolink. Besides PoE cameras, the Reolink wireless camera.
If you just believe you could be so remarkable. Thoughts in my head, a collage and they spread. I'll be great one day, going off of my meds. No, I'm not giving up, no, I'm not giving in. I will make it to the top, taking off in the wind. I gotta make it, I'm saving every day to taste it. I'm patient, but my mind, it can hardly take it. I'm chasing a dream that I've had for several ages of vacant. Modern kingdom for the taking.
And connect the Wi-Fi camera to another
Never got anyone's help. I had to do it all myself.
Make sure the camera is powered on when doing so.
I don't ever slow up, no I don't take shit. I got no love for the fakeness. If you wanna play tough and wanna hate this, I'll always show up and make a statement. I don't ever slow up, no I don't take shit. I got no love for the fakeness. If you wanna play tough and wanna hate this, I'll always show up and make a statement.
Enter the camera login password you set. That's it. You can now view the live feed of your Wi-Fi camera via the NVR.